Hi guys, I'm Sonny and welcome back to Sonny's Effing Delicious. Today we're making fresh restaurant style naan breads and naan bread sandwiches. Guys, it's absolutely possible to make fresh, fluffy restaurant style naan breads at home using just a cast iron pan and your stove. Right guys, I've got about 250 grams of self-raising flour here, and to that I'm going to add some onion seeds, and this is for flavour, so about a tablespoon of onion seeds, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, a teaspoon of baking powder, generous pinch of salt, you will need flavour, and go ahead and give your dry ingredients a good stir. And I've got my milk here, and to my milk I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar and a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Give that a good stir. Okay, so now we're going to combine our wet and our dry ingredients together. Okay guys, once you've got your dough to this consistency, go ahead and place it onto a flat surface and continue to knead. Alright guys, keep your flour handy, and so we're just going to give it a good kneading. Okay guys, our dough's looking lovely. I'm going to go ahead and place that in my bowl. Okay, so our dough's going to sit in that bowl like that. And I'm going to leave that to one side to rest for about an hour or two. Onion, green pepper, 2 potatoes, 1 green chilli, that's our filling. I'm going to dice that up now. Right, there's all of our chopped vegetables. That's everything we need for our filling. I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands because I've been touching chili seeds. A nice hot pan, drizzle of vegetable oil, and we're going to go straight in with our chopped ingredients. Right guys, we're going to give this a nice good saute, get those potatoes cooked and get those onions and peppers nicely charred. Right, let's go in with some seasoning. Right, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, and a teaspoon of coriander. Go ahead and give your ingredients a nice mix. And guys, I've just added a touch of water, a couple of tablespoons of water, just to make sure them spices don't over toast or burn. Okay guys, we've been sauteing for about 10 minutes. I'm just going to go ahead and have a little taste and see where we're at. What does I need? I need something. I'm going to go with a pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, and chili flakes. That's what I think it needs, just a bit of kick. Guys, this is looking perfect. We're going to go ahead and take this off the heat and let it cool down, and then we're going to make our sandwiches. Right guys, it's been about 2 hours, so let's check out our dough. Let's dust our surface first. Go ahead and make small little dough balls. Let's start by just making a disc. Okay, my naan's rolled up perfectly. I'm going to go ahead and get some water and just damp some water on one side. Just rub it in. And this is going to help the naan stick to my cast iron pan, and you'll see why I want it to stick in a moment. Okay, let's go over to our cast iron. Okay, searing hot cast iron pan and wet side down. And there you have it. And we're just going to give it a couple of moments, and hopefully we shall see some bubbles appearing very soon. Right, straight away you see these little pockets of air, these little bubbles appearing. That's exactly what you're looking for. Beautiful. Okay guys, I'm getting a slight whiff of char, so at that point I know it's ready to be flipped, because it means it's charring from the base. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to flip my pan, and I'm going to char it directly onto the flame. And this is kind of duplicating what a tandoor oven would do at 350 degrees. Right, and there you have it guys, this is our perfect tandoori naan. Let's take this off the heat and just use your spatula just to scrape underneath. Beautiful, light, fluffy restaurant style naans. Right guys, there you have a beautiful, perfect tandoori style naan, and we're just going to very simply go in with some butter. And there you have it guys, that is your perfect restaurant style fluffy naan made at home on a gas stove. Beautiful. Right guys, we're just moving on to our sandwich now, and I'm just going to roll out another one of these beautiful dough balls. Right, once you've rolled out your naan, we're going to go ahead with our secret ingredient, which is just some cheese. And we're going to go in with our mixture, which is now cooled down. And then we're just going to fold over the same way you would do with a pasty or a calzone. Make sure we tuck it all in, tuck everything in. Okay guys, we're going to place this on our hot cast iron pan. Right, our cast iron is pretty hot, straight on. Look at that, that's going to be awesome. Right guys, this is looking good. I'm going to go ahead and flip this. Wonderful. So that's been cooking for about 45 seconds to a minute on this side. Now the dough around the sides needs a good 5 minutes in an oven just to finish cooking. So I'm going to go ahead and place this in a hot oven for 5 minutes. Nice hot oven, straight in, 5 minutes. Okay guys, 5 minutes in the oven, and this is looking beautiful. Okay, a few last steps. We're going to go ahead and just butter this generously. Right, let's slice into that beauty. The aroma is outstanding. Oh, can't wait to do the taste test. Right guys, there you have it. This is my beautiful homemade naan and naan sandwich. Outstanding. Right guys, like I said earlier, it's absolutely possible to make restaurant style naan breads at home. This smells outstanding. I can't wait to get stuck in, and I'm going to go straight in for my sandwich. Before I do, guys, if you're enjoying my content, if you like our channel, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell, and like this video. Anyway, enough talking, let's get stuck in. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of these off camera. You've got to make these are outstanding. Light, fluffy, packed with flavour, delicious and simple. Guys, this isn't just delicious, this is Sunny's effing delicious.